Okay, Olivia's walking now. Yes. Yeah, you're hitting on. I see that. It's so cute. Can you stand up? Here we go. Okay, walk to Grandma. Well, look at you. Look at you walking. You're walking perfect. You're walking perfect. Yes. Olivia. You're going to eat that? Come walk. Come walk more. Come walk more. Careful, careful. Hold on. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Okay. Here's Tucker. Yes. Tucker, your doggy. Olivia. And you're just a year old. A year old and like a week. Say Tucker. Tucker, there's Daddy Sneaks, huh? Daddy Sneaks. Should we let Tucker in? Well, you're gonna walk. You're really walking. You're really walking, Olivia. Ooh, be careful. Whoops! You did a good job. Look at all your nice toys. Can you walk to your toys? Here, I'll help you. Here, hold on to Grandma. What? It says the battery's getting low. Okay, here. Let's walk. You're gonna walk in the kitchen? There's a step there. Be careful a little bit. Oh, no, Olivia, don't go that way because you know what? The door is open. Okay, I'm going to say, and cut. And cut. I love you. I love you.